How to open an account in Cloudways. In this lesson, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your Cloudways account, step by step. You have a link that will take you exactly to the sign-up page for a fast setup. Click my affiliate link. That means if you sign up using my link, I receive a small commission, and you get an exclusive discount on your hosting, so it's a win-win. You save money, and you support me in creating more tutorials like this. If you're watching this as part of the full course, you'll find the link and the coupon code right next to this video. Go ahead and click the link and it will take you to the Cloudways sign-up page. On the sign-up page, you'll see a simple form to create your account. Enter the email address you want to use for Cloudways, then choose a secure password, fill in any other required details, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and then click the button to start your free trial. Right now, you don't need to enter any credit card details. Cloudways gives you a 3-day free trial so you can test the platform and decide if it's right for you. During these 3 days, you can create a server, deploy a website, and see how everything works before paying anything. After you complete the sign-up, you'll be taken into your Cloudways dashboard. Sometimes Cloudways may update this page or change how it looks in the future, and that's completely normal. If your screen looks a bit different from mine, just click the Cloudways logo at the top to go back to the main dashboard. From the main dashboard, you'll be able to launch your first server by clicking the Launch Now button. In the next lesson, I'll walk you through that process and explain which server options are best for you, how much resources you get, and what each plan is suitable for. Before we finish this video, I want to quickly show you where you'll add your payment details later, if you decide to continue after the trial. Once you've created a server and you're happy with Cloudways, you'll want to make sure your server doesn't get shut down when the trial ends. To do that, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on your account icon. Then choose Payment and Address from the menu. On that page, you'll be able to securely add your credit card information and billing address, so Cloudways can charge you and keep your server online. That's all you need to know to open your Cloudways account and start your free trial. If you want to use my link, don't forget to use the link provided with this lesson. In the next video, we'll create your first server together and choose the right resources for your website.